Hey guys, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Food Blogger Pro and you're wondering, is this a good way for you to start, grow, and monetize your own food blog to start making some income on the internet? Maybe become a full-time food blogger, all right? Let's check out Food Blogger Pro. This is going to be a full review of it so you can make a better decision. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email. You can check that out, okay? Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, and there's some great courses out there. There's some great business models, and some of them you can make full-time income, but a lot of them very difficult. You can make very little money, and some of them are just straight up scams. So let's take a look at Food Blogger Pro to find out what this is all about and whether this is a good way to actually grow your income online, okay? Now, Food Blogger Pro is created by Lindsay and Bjork Ostrom, very, very successful food bloggers. So I want to say that, straight up there. They have a very big blog called Pinch of Yum. Okay, Pinch of Yum is a very, very nice professional food blog run by not just, Lindsay and Bjork, but their entire team, okay? They got a team of about 5 people that run this blog. Obviously, they've been doing this for a while, all right? If you look at this blog, I mean, it's just super pro, very, very nice. They get about 80 million views a year, which is crazy, okay? So they're doing very, very well with their food blog. And basically from this, this is something that they started on the side, just were growing it for fun, and it became huge, right, over the years, okay? It took them time, obviously, to build it up until it's, this quality, because that's what blogging is about. It does take time to build up to qualities like this, all right? So Food Blogger Pro is a course that they created and the community they created to teach you how to build something like Pinch of Yum, if that's what you want to do, all right? So this is, I would say, mainly for people that are passionate about cooking, passionate about food, passionate about creating a food blog. Then they're going to teach you how to build it properly, how to start it, how to grow it, how to monetize it, and they will literally show you everything from start to finish. So let's take a look at what they're going to cover, and then you can decide whether this is something that you may or may not want to do, okay? So that's Lindsay and Bjork right there, okay? That's their team right there, right? Bjork has an actual podcast, right, where he's got hundreds of episodes where he teaches you different tricks of monetizing and ranking your blog articles, doing proper search engine optimization. So I think that's really, really cool. That's all 100% free, okay? And then the Food Blogging Pro membership, if you want to get it, this is how this actually works, okay? So the membership works like this. They've got roughly about 80 plus lessons, 300 plus training videos. They've got monthly live calls with them. They've got a community forum where they've kind of separated it into different categories where you can ask all sorts of questions, everything from all the technical stuff like WordPress, setting up your blog, search engine optimization, social media marketing, SEO, affiliate marketing, how do you monetize, recipe development, things like that, okay? So there is a very, very good community. There's a lot of support. There's that live training, and then obviously there's a step-by-step for you to actually grow the business itself, okay? Now let's talk about what you're actually going to learn inside the course, all right? Now, this is really for anybody who has no idea what to do. Maybe you've never started a blog before, so you're an absolute beginner. Then you're going to learn exactly how to set up your blog from scratch, okay? So all about WordPress, what are the plugins that you need to download, how to write your articles, how to do food research, how to do food photography, how to make videos of your food if that's something that you want to do, and then all the technical stuff, okay, like how to do keyword research, search engine optimization, how to rank on Google, what is Google looking for, how to keep up with the updates, because Google updates their algorithm every single month. I mean, Google is a beast, okay? Google knows that people are trying to get rankings and game their algorithm, so Google updates really frequently. The nice thing about Food Blogger Pro is they do update their content so that you can always stay on the cutting edge of SEO, which I think is awesome, okay? Then they teach you how to monetize your blog. How do you make money from your rankings? How do you make money from your articles? That's very, very important, right? So how do you put up ads on your blog, for example, right? AdSense, Google AdSense. How do you recommend different affiliate marketing products? How do you team up, do JVs with different retail companies so that you can do affiliate sales and things like that, make money that way, all right? And that's essentially what they're going to be teaching you in a nutshell, okay? Another thing that I should say about Food Blogger Pro is there's lots of success stories. So these guys have been at it for a long time, and I mean, when you build a blog this big, you know what you're doing, okay? These guys are pros at what they do, and they've been doing this for many, many years, so they really know the ins and outs of how to create a food blog specifically, right? And rank it on Google and do very, very well and make a lot of money that way, right? Now, how much does this cost? Okay, so the thing about Food Blogger Pro is that it's not expensive at all, right? So you can access it at $99 for every 3 months, so $99 every quarter, or you can decide to pay $350 for an entire year's worth of access to the program and community, okay? Now, if you decide to go with the $350 per year, which I would recommend, because you're not going to learn to do this in 3 months, unfortunately, okay? With blogging, minimum 1 year. Absolute minimum 1 year, right? So I would go for the $350 per year if you're committed to growing a food blog. Because if you go with the $350 per year, they're going to give you a free tool called NutriFox, right? Which is an $89 per year piece of software that will help you do the nutrition labels that you can put on your blog. So they gift that to you for free. So I would just go for the $350 a year so that you can save $89 a year, okay? Not huge savings, but you know, blogging does take a while, so you may as well go for the yearly package. That's what I would recommend, but completely up to you. You can still go for the, you know, $99 package for every quarter. I would say that it's a steal for what you're getting, okay? I mean, this should easily be a $1,000 to $2,000 program, but it's not. They've decided to price it very, very affordably so that, you know, anybody can start it, which is cool. And they have a 60-day, no questions asked refund. That is insane. All right, that's like, you know, these guys really believe in their product, which is awesome. Okay, so I think super high quality, really great community. They've got the live monthly calls, they've got the community forum, so the support is all there. They cover a whole host of different topics that you need to learn about if you want to start a food blog, because starting a food blog is pretty complicated. I'm going to be honest, okay? Because not only do you have to learn all the technical stuff of building this out, right? You know, because that blogging is very technical. You have to learn WordPress, you have to learn all the search engine optimization stuff, you have to learn how to keep up with Google, all the backlinking, you know, it's a very, very technical marketing piece that you're gonna have to do, okay? So they teach you all that, but on top of that, they also teach you things like, you know, recipe development, right? How do you create your recipes? Where do you find them from? How do you do the photography? Because you have to do the photography, man. You have to like cook your food, shoot it, you know, do the video editing and shooting and all that stuff. I mean, it's a lot of work, to be honest, right? So the nice thing is that they teach you all of that, including the monetization, all right? So you know, in terms of what you're getting for the price, it is pretty awesome, okay? So here's what I would say. If you're interested in food, if you're like passionate about it, you know that you want to be a food blogger, and you know that you want to maybe make some money from that passion, and you want to start a food blog, something like this, maybe not as, you know, nice as this initially. You can graduate to, you know, they've obviously graduated to this. I'm pretty sure Pinch of Yum didn't look like this right at the beginning, right? But it's something that you can, you know, graduate to over time, right? Then I would highly recommend Food Blogger Pro. I think it's a great blogging community. It'll teach you how to make money out of your passion, and it's not expensive at all, okay? Now, there is a caveat to that, right? And I do want to mention this very, very, you know, upfront so that you understand what you're getting yourself into, okay? The thing about blogging is that it is very, very hard, all right? If you want to talk about business models, and I've been marketing online for 15 years. I'm a blogger, I'm an affiliate marketer, I, you know, do YouTube automation, I do search engine optimization, I do a lot of different things online, I do social media. I've been at this game for a very, very long time, right? I've run blogs in the past, I've had teams that run my blogs, all that kind of stuff. Out of all the business models out there to earn money online, blogging is one of the most difficult, the most long-term, and the most technical. Okay, you just need to understand that coming into this. Okay, why is that? Because it just is, right? Because you're trying to rank your articles. You see how this works is they're basically ranking every single one of these articles. So let's just say I click on Swedish pancakes, right? So they've done their research and they know that they're going to be ranking for this particular keyword phrase, Swedish pancakes. Something like, you know, how to make Swedish pancakes, or maybe it's the, you know, Swedish pancake recipe or something like that, right? Best Swedish pancakes. So they've done a lot of work in the background to rank this particular article, right? That is a lot of work. And so you have to learn that, and you're going to learn that through them. But just please understand that it's extremely technical, it's very hard, and Google updates the algorithm every single month. So you need to keep up with the updates. Otherwise, you're going to lose rankings on your blog, all right? So that's only the first part of doing well on this. On top of that, you have to do all the content creation, which is challenging because you have to make the recipes, you have to take the pictures, you have to make the videos. It's a lot of work just to make one article, all right? So this particular strategy is not a short-term thing, all right? So I want you to understand that if you decide to do this, you need to look at it as a long-term thing, as in years, as in 1 to 5 years of growth, not a few months, all right? If you're coming here because you want to create a food blog where you think that you're going to start making money in the next few months, don't do this. All right, I'm just recommending that to you because I've been through this journey myself. I know what it takes to make a blog, right? And you need a minimum of 1 year of work before you really start to see any sort of income and rankings and things like that, because Google is just a very, very challenging thing to master. And think about it. Think of how many food blogs there are out there on internet land. A lot. Okay, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands. So you're competing against all of the food bloggers that are doing the exact same thing as these guys are teaching. All right, so it's challenging. The food space is a very, very competitive niche, right? So I'm not saying that you can't get results. You can. I think that out of all the blogging programs, if you're very passionate about food, you're going to get results from this particular course, okay? But having said that, the caveat is that you have to be in it for the long term. Otherwise, this is not going to be a satisfying process for you, okay? I would say that if you're desperate for money and you need it like in the next month, this is not going to do it for you, all right? But if you're someone who's got a full-time job already and you're just very interested in food, you're passionate about food, you want to create a blog, and you understand that this is going to be a labor of love and it's going to be over the long term, like 1 to 5 years, then I highly recommend that you do something like this. But you just have to understand that that is basically what you're getting yourself into. Okay, it is going to be a labor of love, and you're going to have to take the time to, take the pictures, learn how to do it, shoot the video, edit the videos, create the content, learn how to build out WordPress, do all the search engine optimization, the rankings, the keyword research, the backlinking. It is tough. It is very, very challenging, all right? But these guys obviously have a great community. They have a lot of success stories, and they teach it very well. So I just wanted to be very transparent with you before you decide to go down this path. That's all right? But if you're okay with that, then this is an awesome, awesome program. Very good value, and it's a great community. And obviously, Lindsay and Bjork have done something really great here. Okay, so if you want to check it out, foodbloggerpro.com. All right, now if you're watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make money online, but maybe it wasn't necessarily through food blogging, okay? If you're passionate about food blogging, that's the only thing that you want to do, then this is what you should focus on, Food Blogger Pro. But if you're watching this video because you're in research mode, you don't really know how you want to make money online. You're just thinking, maybe I should create a blog. I don't know. Maybe I want to do it because I like food. I'm not sure. Can I make some money based on my passion? All right. But you're not necessarily 100% set on creating a blog, right? You just want to make money online, but you don't know how. Okay. Maybe you're that person, and you're kind of like at a part of your journey where you're kind of figuring out what you should do. Should you go left? Should you go right? Okay. There are a lot of ways to make money on the internet. I've owned many businesses. I've invested hundreds of thousands of dollars of my own money into all sorts of different strategies. And out of all of them, my favorite way as a beginner, if I had to start all over again, right now, if I had 15 years of experience, right? But if I have to start from scratch, I would still do this exact strategy. This is my favorite strategy for a beginner to go from zero to that first $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And this is, I think, the most affordable, quickest, easiest strategy to execute online. Obviously, it's still going to take a bit of work, but I still think it's the best. If you want that training for free, you can click the link below and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email. You can check it out if you want. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of Food Blogger Pro. All the best to you, and I will see you on another review video. Take care.